Hey guys, making it work. I'm Jimmy if you haven't been here before. I wanted to make a little video today. I got a lot of, well, I shouldn't say a lot. I got a few nasty comments in some of my videos where some people are really supportive of one brand over another, and they don't like the fact that I might not do things exactly the way they do. But this video, I just basically wanted to say, if you're going around on YouTube leaving nasty comments to people about their choices and what they're doing in their lives, then you're just insecure about your own choices. You know, it shouldn't be something where you have to go around forcing everyone to see things your way and do things your way. That means you're insecure, not that they're doing it wrong. You know, like one of the big things is buying things from outside of the borders of the United States versus inside, and one guy told me I was anti-American. But I don't think you understand liberty and freedom if you can't let people do things differently and do things the way they want versus the way you want to do them. So I don't, you know, I'm not going to say that I do things perfectly, but I am going to say that, you know, my opinions and my decisions affect me. So you let your decisions and your opinions affect you, and then my decisions and my opinions affect me. I'll buy the brands I want. I'll spend the money on things that I want, whether it's something really expensive, something made in China, something made in America. You know, that's what freedom is. So you can't tell someone they're anti-American when they're doing what they want to do in their lives and claim that you're more American because you don't want people to do things different than you. So some people need to understand how all that works. In the tool industry, automotive, you know, manufacturers, you know, we're living in a global world. Loyalty is good, and I have a lot of loyalty. I'm very, you know, I'm not going to explain myself in that department, but let's just say that I've spent in excess of $120,000, probably close to $150 with Snap-on. I've probably got, you know, $25,000, $30,000 worth of Mac tools in the course of my life, and I'd guess somewhere around $15,000 or $20,000 with Matco. But Chinese tools lately, trying to save money. I'm trying to retire in 8 or 10 years, so what I can buy on a Snap-on truck for $10,000, I can buy another brand for $2,000, and it's going to work for my purpose. Something that sits in my box most of the time. I use it once in a while. Why wouldn't anybody want to do that? So to empty your bank account and live paycheck to paycheck because you want to support a brand that in your mind is more American, when in fact that's an American company outsourcing their products from China and representing them as an American-made brand. Where some of these other companies that make stuff less expensive, they're not hiding the fact that it's made in China and it's a Chinese company or whatever. So to me, an American company that's representing Chinese-made or foreign-made products as American-made, that's more deceptive than a Chinese company selling Chinese products, or, you know. I just think that I don't know. I think people just need to reevaluate how they're doing things on the internet and how they're barking like children on the internet, and don't like someone doing something different. You know, I'll say again that comes from your insecurity. If you have to go around forcing everyone to do things the way you want because you don't like the fact that they're making you question your own choices, that's your own insecurities. So something some people need to work on. Just a little reflective video today. I just got a lot on my mind with all this stuff going on here. So I hope you guys get what I'm saying. You know, I'm not trying to criticize anyone. I'm trying to say, let people do what people are going to do. You know, they're not hurting you or taking anything directly from you, and let them be. You know, that's what liberty is. Maybe that's just me. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. The comment section's getting pretty interesting. The more subscribers and the more views I get, the more interesting the comment section gets. But I guess that's the internet. You know, anonymity. You can say whatever you want. You don't really have to care what the end result of that is. Makes it interesting. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Like my little personal rant with all the stuff I got going on. Maybe I shouldn't make videos when I'm a little wound up, but it's just a lot. You know, need to get some stuff taken care of and move on. You know, maybe everyone does. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Got a few new videos coming out this week, so make sure you look for them. and like and subscribe. If you got anything from this video or any of my videos, give me a subscribe. I think about right now I'm only about 2.1% of my viewers are subscribing on my best video. Some of the other videos I might have 6,000-7,000 views and then gain 2 subscribers, so that's really low. My subscribers up, and I want to get a little more awareness so I can try to make the community a little better for mechanics. Everyone seems focused on the tool brands and tearing each other down. I want to try to make that better. I want to grow my channel so that for the betterment of the automotive repair community. Not really for the betterment of myself. I make good money doing what I'm doing. I don't have to make YouTube videos, quite frankly. You're not going to get rich, from what I understand. Some people are making $50 a month on YouTube videos and they have 20,000 subscribers. So it's more about awareness for the community for me. And when you see YouTube videos that start with the last shop or the last mechanic that worked on this, because everybody wants to think they're the best on the planet and no one can possibly come close to what they do because they're so smart, so good. But we're all humans trying to do what we got to do. Anyway, it's enough rambling. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.